Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can orient this taskbar to the bottom or to the top of your PC or to the left or to the right. So anywhere if you want you can orient the taskbar. So let me begin the video. You just go to start and then click on the settings. Once you open up the setting, you just go to personalization and you will find your taskbar. So here as you can see taskbar locations on screen. Okay, now since the taskbar is in the bottom of my PC, so it is showing bottom. Now if you click on it, you will find 4 options. So if you click on top, the same taskbar is been moved to the top of your PC. Now if you click on it, if you click left, the taskbar will be oriented to the left side of your PC, and if you click on right, it will be oriented to the right side of your PC. So in this way you can orient the taskbar as you want. So thank you for watching.